Welcome to Drawgics!
Hello kids, today let's draw a beautiful lotus flower. Come on, grab your pencils. Let's start. Now let's start with one big petal right in the middle. Nice and tall. Okay, now add a petal on each side. One on the right side and the other on the left side. Look, the flower is opening wide. Behind them, draw more petals. Okay, now let's add even more. Wow! Look, the lotus is getting fuller. Nice. Now, time for the big green leaves at the bottom. Okay, let's add even more leaves. Look, the lotus is nice and wide. Wow, our lotus is ready. Now grab your colors. Choose a bright pink and fill in all the petals. Make sure to stay inside the lines. How the flower is glowing already. Now pick a fresh green for the leaves. Wow, our lotus is ready.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more Drawgics.